The founder and chief officer of Nomad Capitalist has a criminal record in the United States of America. Today I'm going to tell you some facts about Andrew Henderson's criminal record. Before I'm going to give you the details of Andrew Henderson's criminal record, I wanted to give you a little bit of a preview of Andrew Henderson and Nomad Capitalist, and also why I am shooting this video today. Now, first of all, I wanted to point out that I'm currently being sued by Nomad Capitalist Limited, Incorporated in Hong Kong. And Nomad Capitalist Incorporated in Hong Kong is suing my Texas company for defamation. I am being sued, also myself personally, I'm being sued for defamation, as well as Nomad Elite's US entity, which is incorporated in Texas. So I am being sued, my company is being sued, and there's a long history behind this lawsuit. And if you're interested in learning more about it, you're welcome to watch our other videos. Andrew Henderson of Nomad Capitalist is a former US citizen. Andrew Henderson renounced his US citizenship years ago, and he is a very international person. On his YouTube channel, Andrew Henderson claims to have several homes across the globe, as well as multiple citizenships. Andrew Henderson gives advice on citizenship by investment programs, residence permits, escaping some of the modern day's challenges we're in, as well as other topics related to being a nomad capitalist. Andrew Henderson is all about being a nomad capitalist. So I have this file in front of me. Andrew Henderson was charged with telecommunications harassment in the United States of America. He pled no contest to disorderly conduct. The plea was entered on March 18th, 2003. So you can see this is a very old criminal record that happened well before Andrew Henderson of Nomad Capitalist renounced his US citizenship. It happened many years ago when he was much younger. This is not recent. Now, I'm going to show you the law. However, the law that I'm showing you inside this video is from 2016, not from 2003. And I don't know what the law said in 2003. So I want to make this very clear that this is not recent, and the law that I'm showing you is from 2016, not 2003. I'm going to read the Ohio Revised Code now. This is section 291721, Telecommunications Harassment. And it says, effective August 16, 2016, legislation House Bill 151 to 131, General Assembly. It says, A, no person shall knowingly make or coerce to be made a telecommunication or knowingly permit a telecommunication to be made from a telecommunications device under the person's control to another if the caller does any of the following. 1. Makes the telecommunication with purpose to harass, intimidate, or abuse any person at the premises to which the telecommunication is made, whether or not actual communication takes place between the caller and a recipient. 2. Describes, suggests, requests, or purposes that the caller, the recipient of the telecommunication, or any other person engaged in sexual activity, and the recipient or another person at the premises to which the telecommunication is made has requested in a previous telecommunication or in the immediate telecommunication that the caller not make a telecommunication to the recipient or to the premises to which the telecommunication is made. During the telecommunication violates section 2903(1) of the revised code. 4. Knowingly states to the recipient of the telecommunication that the caller intends to cause damage to or destroy public or private property, and the recipient, any member of the recipient's family, or any other person who resides at the premises to which the telecommunication is made, owns, leases, resides, or works in, will at the time of the destruction or damaging be near or in, has the responsibility of protecting or insures the property that will be destroyed or damaged. 5. Knowingly makes the telecommunication to the recipient of the telecommunication to another person at the premises to which the telecommunication is made, or to those premises, and the recipient or another person at those premises previously has told the caller not to make a telecommunication to those premises or to any persons at those premises. 6. Knowingly makes any comment, request, suggestion, or proposal to the recipient of the telecommunication that is threatening, intimidating, menacing, coercive, or obscene with the intent to abuse, threaten, or harass the recipient. 7, without a lawful business purpose, knowingly interrupts the telecommunication service of any person. 8, without a lawful business purpose, knowingly transmits to any person, regardless of whether the telecommunication is heard in its entirety, any file, document, or other communication that prevents that person from using the person's telephone service or electronic communication device. 9, knowingly makes any false statement concerning the death, injury, illness, disfigurement, reputation, indecent conduct, or criminal conduct of the recipient of the telecommunication or family or household member of the recipient with purpose to abuse, threaten, intimidate, or harass the recipient. 10, knowingly incites another person through a telecommunication or other means to harass or participate in the harassment of a person. 11, knowingly alarms the recipient by making a telecommunication without a lawful purpose at an hour or hours known to be inconvenient to the recipient. Now, I'm not going to read the entire code to you because it would take forever and I would grow a beard like Moses, so I'm not going to do that. I am going to say, however, that it says here in this code under C1, whoever violates this section is guilty of telecommunications harassment. I now also have the criminal misdemeanor file open, and I want to say a couple things here. Again, this is from 2003. Okay, so this is from a long time ago. Under action, it says telecommunications harassment. We already know it. We already pointed that out. And it gives the info here. On the party information, it says Henderson Andrew. That's the defendant. I'm not going to read the address. I'm not going to do that. And it says here how much he paid. But here it also says on the party charge disposition, it says that no contest, found guilty. And it says here that he had to pay $296. Now today, $296 is not a whole lot of money, right? But more than 20 years ago, it was a lot more money, right? So this happened in 2003. If you're aware of the current situation that's happening between Nomad Capitalist and Nomad Elite, you know that our company, our Texas company, is being sued by Nomad Capitalist, the company that's incorporated in Hong Kong. We're being sued. So this is my company. I'm the owner of Nomad Elite. I'm the chief officer of Nomad Elite. And we are being sued. My company and I were being sued in Texas. And Nomad Capitalist is in Hong Kong. So our company's in Texas. We're being sued by a company that's located in Hong Kong, which is very strange. But it's happening now. We're being sued for defamation. We did some videos in the past talking about some of the things that I noticed in our industry concerning Andrew Henderson and Nomad Capitalist, the things that I mentioned in my videos in the past. I believe these things are truth, opinion, and hyperbole, and we tried to resolve the case with Andrew Henderson, Nomad Capitalist, and also the attorneys, but they didn't want to resolve the case without financial compensation. They requested $50,000 from me to solve this without filing a legal complaint against me. But we did not agree. I did not agree. Nomad Elite did not agree to sending $50,000 to Nomad Capitalist to get this settled without court intervention. So now we're being sued for defamation in Texas. I'm going to keep you posted on the process, on what's happening. We filed an answer in February 2025, and now we have a little bit of waiting time there for something to happen. Obviously, you know, there are intervals that are taking place, and we'll keep you posted on any progress as it happens in our industry, and of course also when it comes to the Nomad Elite lawsuit. What is your take on Andrew Henderson's criminal record? We'd love to hear from you. If you have any input that you want to share, please don't hesitate to use the comment section below this video. We'd love to hear from you. We appreciate your attendance. I truly appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much. If you want to share this video with your friends, that'd be fantastic. Get the word out there. If you really want to help us out, please like this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to welcoming you to the next video.